the greatest invention of the 20th century is the Australian goon sack. This is a Kegland Fresh Cubed First Wort kit, and I've seen some people struggle massively trying to empty these, and they can get awkward. I've used several myself, and even though they're not that heavy, at around 15 kilos, they can get a little awkward. I've seen people put them in milk crates and all sorts of things to empty them. I recently had an operation and I haven't been able to lift anything over a couple of kilo for 6 weeks. So what I did was I got the wife to put this on the end of the bench for me, and I got to it. First I cut a hole in the box. You could just dangle it over the edge of the box, but that just makes it a little bit more awkward. Don't worry about the knife here. It looks like it's close to the bag, but it isn't. I can then dangle the port through. You can throttle it just with your hand, or if you give it a little bit of a twist, that'll help you control the flow as well. Set up your fermenter, pop the lid, and there you go. You'll be able to do that without even spilling a drop. As you can see, you could probably do this without the funnel. It doesn't get much easier than that. No more wrestling. Add your top-up water. I like to sprinkle just the tiniest pinch of sodium metabisulfate in. That's probably too much to get rid of the chlorine and chloramine. Follow the directions on the kit you're using. Add your yeast and you're ready to go. This is an excerpt from an upcoming video. I thought this would be handy to show, but someone asked for a tip how to do this easily, so I thought I'd upload it now. Cheers and thanks for watching. Please consider joining our Instagram page and Facebook group.